Okay, everybody, welcome to today's adventure. Out on the river, low tide, as you can see. I'm sitting here in the middle of the river on an island. There's the wifey coming up stream. No luck yet, but see what happens. Thanks for coming along. If you're new to my channel, my name is Dave. That's my wife, Angela. We're a YouTube fishing family. My wife and I and my children. Come along on our adventures if you would. Subscribe to my channel. It's greatly appreciated. And let's see how today goes. Thanks for watching. Got one. Oh, it's a nice one. Oh, stay down, buddy, please. Oh, please. Oh, man. It's a freaking catfish. Nice sized catfish. Oh, man, that's not what my heart's racing, boy. I was like, that's a big smallmouth. Woo. Wow. All right, I'll get back to you guys in 1 minute. He's going to be a rough one. All right, guys. He's a nice size. Wasn't what I was expecting, but I know they're here, but I thought for sure that was a smallmouth. Now we're going to play this game today, aren't we?
Let me get closer, huh? It's just on your crate.
All right, guys, I'm trying to get a measurement without getting stung. Okay. This is definitely my biggest channel cat. And he's about, I don't know if you can see it, he's just touching 20 inches. All right, buddy, we'll let you go. Thanks. Try to get one more look at him. All right, buddy, get you out of here. Oh yeah, come on, big boy. Got one. Oh man, he's all stuck in the weeds. Dang it. If someone's in here, there's a bass. Hold on, buddy. Hold on, buddy. There you are. Nice. Nice. All right. Hold on, buddy. I'll let you go. There he goes. Got another one. Oh, come on. Get out of the weeds. Yep. Yes, sir. Nice. All right. Thank you, sir. Get over here. Nice. Not big, but I'm bank fishing today, so. Nice little guy. Thank you, sir. Get the release. Got another one. Little guy, yeah, he's a tiny one. Hold on, buddy. I'll let you go in a minute. He's a tiny, hold on, buddy. All right. Little one. Thank you, sir. Got another one. Oh no, I lost it. Dang it. Oh, okay. We'll pick it up, throw it out. We're not gonna leave trash. Somebody else left it here, we'll pick it up. Come over here and cast, buddy. Like stand right there and cast right out anywhere in the open water here. I think the bass are I think they're hanging out around here. I've already gotten like 4. I'll change that bait if you want me to.